lived a shit life, eh? I do these videos. It is hard, don't get me wrong. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's going to be an absolute adventure. I'm going from one side of Brisbane Water basically to the other. Starting at Gosford, and I'm going to head out to the Rip Bridge, go for a bit of a fish around there. After that, I'll be heading out to Lobster Beach. I think that's what it's called. So there's going to be a fair bit of traveling in the boat in this one. I'll just give you little bits of snapshots of it. Yes, okay, it's a different day and I've filmed this. What of it? You get the point. Absolute scorcher day it was. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. It's a good one. There's a nice little talk at the end of it. Just at my spot now, and yeah, gonna flick a few lures, see how I go, eh? Man, it's funny how conditions change so quickly. Like, it can be nice and flat, next minute, white caps. And I've got a V-nose boat, so this thing does not like chop, I tell you that. It's nice and stable for fishing, so yeah. Alright, we'll get into it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm having a sick day out here on the water at a beautiful beach right now. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've flown the drone around. I've got a few shots of the place. Today I am at Bondi National Park. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, I'm just at the beach now. I'm gonna go have a bit of a swim. I've just gone for a fish. Caught a, nice little snapper. That's about it. I'm climbing up these rocks now, guys. Yes, I used to climb up these years and years ago when I was a kid. I was just saying, I used to climb up here when I was a kid, but I don't really think that's changed. I think I am still a big kid. Woo. But yeah, it's always remember to be safe, whatever you're doing, guys. That's why I've got my rock climbing shoes on, as you can see. Hey guys, what's going on? Just down here in Wai Bay now. Awesome spot, really nice. I do these videos, just it's a bit of a hobby now, and I am a recovering alcoholic and addict, and it's been a long journey for me, but I never thought I was going to get out, and I lived a shit life, eh? Just letting you all know that recovery it's rewarding. This life is really good. It is hard, don't get me wrong. It's hard, and you have your challenges, that's for sure, but it's just about sticking with the right people, you got to flush those other ones out. You can do it. You just need something to jumpstart it, just to kick it off. Addiction sucks, man. The life you live, it's just putrid, always letting people down, always chasing stuff, always chasing the next high, the next drunk episode, whatever. Like, man, it was easier being an alcoholic, but the repercussions of drinking and drugging were shit, and sobriety's rewarding, it fucking is. And they say it's only going to get better from here, and I believe that. I believe life's going to get better and better as long as I stay sober, one day at a time. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, guys. I would so much appreciate it. Like, I've always wanted to do YouTube. I'm doing it now. So yeah, these videos do take a long time to make. I really take my hat off to YouTubers and people that make really good content, because it is hours and hours on the computer of fiddling around. But like, I love it. It's awesome. It's a mad hobby, and I'm just going to keep doing it. It's such a blessing to have my car license back. You're going to see me all over the place doing all sorts of stuff. So yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching again, guys. Bridge for a little bit. Man, because it is hot out there, I tell you. So I'm just enjoying a bit of shade just for a little bit.